Welcome back to Learning Football with Santosh Kashyap, former Indian footballer, Mahindra United player, and FIFA and AFC instructor. Previously, we looked at heading the ball. If you've missed to watch it, be sure to see it after this session.
Hi guys, this is Santosh Kashyap. Welcome back to another episode of Learning Football with me. Today we are going to work on running with the ball and ball passes and the game situation as well. I have with me Mr. Dharmendra. He's a ex-national player to assist me. And running with the ball is very important. It's a part of like dribbling, but when you go straight, it's run with the straight, head high, and with combination play and ball pass, try to create situation or do crosses. And so we'll progress. We'll come to know from exercise 1 to 3. Let's begin. Come on, guys. Yeah, start running with Saran. Yes, close touches, keep head high, look up, and take over. Very nice. Good one. Yes, very good. Whenever you get the chance to touch the ball and keep moving and look up, it is always extra advantage for you. Fantastic. So you can see they are running very well and doing very well. While running with the ball, you have to have a good touches, good movement, forward running, and very important that you have to keep head high when and every opportunity comes. If otherwise you look down and then you don't know what happened in front. So always look up. Very nice. Yes, very nice. Now take over. Get ready to take over. Yes, and accelerate. After takeover, acceleration is very important, guys. Yes, accelerate and close touches. Very good. So you can see, after running with the ball, takeover is very important, where you receive the ball on the run and accelerate as you beat the defender. Very nice. Good one. Very good. Take over. Yes, good. Okay guys, this is the first part, simple running with the ball and take over. And now we'll move to the next part with ball passes, doing this. So thank you. Okay guys, with the next part, we'll progress to running with the ball and ball passes. So let's begin. Come on, start. Good. Excellent. Very nice. Yes, very nice. Very good. It's okay. Happen. Always try to play forward so he'll get the ball on the move. Very nice. So you can see they're perfectly doing. You have to run with the ball, overtake, and now progress to ball pass, which is you have to, the player has to play the ball in forward direction so he can go and score goals in forward direction. Let's start. Go. Completion. Yeah, well done. Yes, very nice. So get ready. Footballer has to be always on toes, guys. Always on toes. So then it will find easy for all the touches, take over, and run on the ball. Excellent. Very nice. Fantastic. So you can see they have did the basic of running with the ball and with ball passes. Now we'll progress to game situation and they will able to score goals with this using of running with the ball and ball passes. Thank you very much. Hi guys, now welcome back. And now we are the final part of the running with the ball with the ball passes. And now in game situation, whatever we have learned in exercise 1 and 2, we'll now try to do in the game situation and score goals. Okay, let's start guys. Yes, Sultan, start. So we have to run with the ball and try to create situation for ball pass. Not only passing. Yes, you can run. Yes, excellent. Oh, pass and score. Oh, good try. Good try. Move, go. Yeah, good pass. Yes, and score. Good.
Play.
Oh, good one. Good shot. Well done. Very nice. 1-0. Start goalkeeper here. Always winner start.
Good one. So as you can see, they implementing a very quick learner. Huh? So they fantastic. Within 3 minutes, they have scored 2 goals. So implementing same tactics, if you do in the game, you definitely can score more and more goals and win matches.
Run with the ball. Yes. Good pass. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, tough pass. Come on now. Yes. Run with the ball. Forward. Yes. Well done. Okay. Ball goes out. Start from there. In favor of orange. Yes. And go. Yes, good try.
So you have to look for the opportunity. But still players, they try to pass more. Whenever they get the opportunity to run forward and create situation for scoring, still they pass the ball. So you have to see that how can you use running with the ball and ball pass and score goal.
Yes, good. Running with the ball. Yes, good pass. Forward pass. Wow, fantastic. Continue.
So you can see that, see how beautifully they start the build up from behind and run with the ball, Ravish, and pass the ball pass to him and play the third man pass and score the goal. This is all about running with the ball and ball pass and scoring goals. So thank you very much for this episode. Hope you are liking and improving. So keep practicing. You keep watching this video many times. It definitely help you to become better player with the more practice and practice. So keep practicing and please do like and share these videos and subscribe to our channel, and we give you more and more information in our next episodes. So bye for now. Thank you very much.